Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater 4-stroke engine for you today. This one is a 1999 Evinrude. This is a 20-inch remote. This is technically a Suzuki. Evinrude and Johnson never made a 4-stroke. They just relabeled Suzuki's engines. This one came back with 210 PSI on all 3 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the aluminum prop that is on it, and it'll come with a good use control box. New impeller, new spark plug, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, new engine oil, and fuel system was cleaned. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. Give it a minute here. Pump in good water. Tilt and trim. Sorry if you can't hear it, it is quiet. Go ahead and put it in forward. Back to neutral, reverse, back neutral, shut it off, fire back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.